Welcome back to the channel Fix Your Apps. Today we are diving into the essential tools for creators on the go, focusing on the 5 best apps make flyer on Android. We've got a fantastic lineup of applications that will help you create professional posters and flyers right from your phone. Now let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have Vista Create graphic design. This app holds a solid 4.3 rating from over 44,000 reviews on the Play Store, positioning itself as the smart choice for both graphic design and video editing. Its main purpose is to put professional grade visual content creation right at your fingertips, making it a comprehensive platform for all your visuals, branding, and digital media needs. Here are 3 standout features. Vista Create is a part of the Vista family products. This means you're investing in a stable and reputable brand for your design work. The perfect templates for your business. You get access to an expansive library of over 200,000 professionally crafted templates for any project. Get rid of backgrounds in a click. The powerful editing tools include a one-click background removal feature to instantly perfect your images. Moving into the app's user interface, after installation, we land on the home menu. This is where you can explore the extensive template library, see your saved designs, and find the latest trends. To start a new project, we click the plus icon, which lets you choose from various preset formats or set a custom size to design from scratch. Tapping the My Project option will take you to your cloud storage, where all your work is safely saved for editing or sharing. Up top, the search bar is handy for quickly finding a specific template, format, or design element, saving you time. Finally, the settings icon is available for managing your account, adjusting preferences, and accessing your brand kit to keep your content consistent. At number 4 on our list, we have Poster Maker, Flyer Maker, with an excellent 4.7 star rating and over 152,000 reviews on the Play Store. This is a highly trusted app designed to help you create stunning posters, flyers, banners, and social media posts, even if you're not a design expert. Here are 3 reasons why this app stands out. It offers 500 plus categories for every business type, meaning you'll always find a relevant starting point. The system requires no design skills required, making professional grade visuals accessible to everyone. You get access to over 3,000 plus stickers and graphic elements to perfectly customize your design. Now let's take a quick look at the user interface. After opening the app, the home menu gives you an immediate view of trending templates and categories. Tapping Explore lets you browse all the different design themes and formats. If you have a specific idea, the search icon helps you find templates instantly. Hitting the Create option takes you directly to the design canvas to start a new project. And finally, the My Project option is where you can easily save and manage all of your past design work. It's a clean and straightforward design that makes creating fast and easy. At number 3 on our list, we have Flyers, Poster Maker, Design. This app, with an excellent rating of stars across 1,000 reviews, is a powerful tool designed to help you create professional eye-catching posters, flyers, and banners in minutes. No design skills required. It's perfect for promoting your shop, restaurant, events, or social pages. The app's standout features include easily design event flyer, choose from over ready-to-use templates for any event or business need. All-in-one flyer design solution. Not just flyers, but a complete designer for posters, banners, invitations, and social media graphics. Flyer with harness powerful AI tools like the AI flyer generator and AI background remover for effortless, smarter design. Moving into the app's user interface, we first encounter the templates menu, which is the starting point with thousands of customizable designs. Tapping create option lets you begin a project from scratch or customize a chosen template using text, images, and AI tools. Using the search icon allows you to quickly find templates tailored to specific businesses, events, or industries. Next, the My Designs section is where all your saved projects and work in progress are stored for easy access and future edits. Finally, tapping the settings icon brings up options to manage your account, premium subscriptions, and general app preferences. The layout is clean, making it simple to navigate and achieve professional looking results fast. At number 2 on our list, we have Picsart AI Photo Editor Video. This is an all-in-one AI-powered design studio, free and easy to use for all your creative projects from pro-quality business designs to next-gen AI art. The app holds a strong 4.3 star rating based on an impressive 11 million reviews. Here are 3 standout features. The ultimate photo editor. It's perfect for self-starters, offering powerful tools to finesse your photography. Collage Maker. Easily mix and match your favorite photos in style to create inspiring mood boards. Retouch. Use advanced tools to optimize your photos flawlessly, including object and background remover. Now let's take a quick walk through the interface. Upon launching, you are greeted with the main screen where you can tap the Picsart menu icon to access general settings and explore your subscription options. Clicking on the Spaces option shows you endless inspiration where you can share ideas and connect with other creators. The large plus icon at the bottom is your main starting point. Click it to begin a new photo, video, or design project. Next, tapping the My Files option lets you access your saved drafts and edited content. Finally, the profile icon on the far right allows you to manage your account, view your posts, and customize your personal settings. At number 1 on our list, we have the incredibly popular Canva AI video and photo editor. This versatile editing app has earned a great rating of stars across an impressive 22 million reviews, establishing itself as a top-tier tool for digital art and graphic design. Canva serves as your all-in-one free photo editor, logo maker, collage maker, and video editor designed to help you create stunning visual content quickly and easily. Here are 3 of its standout features. Design and edit with AI. This integrates powerful built-in magic AI tools like the AI image generator to transform text into image designs in minutes. Turn ideas into video clips with a prompt. You can generate professional videos with sound simply by using a text prompt, leveraging models like Google's VO3. Thousands of templates for social media. Access a massive library of customizable templates to easily make stunning social media posts, reels, flyers, and presentations. Now let's take a look at the user interface. Starting at the home menu, this is your central hub where you can search for new ideas and browse recommended designs. Tapping on the project option takes you to a section where you can view and organize all of your existing designs, keeping your work tidy. The prominent plus icon is your quick start button, giving you the immediate option to begin a new design from scratch or by choosing a specific format. Next, selecting the templates option opens up the vast library of designs, all categorized to help you find the perfect starting point for any type of content. Finally, the 3 lines icon, often called the hamburger menu, typically grants access to other important settings, tools, and the full app features list. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more app breakdowns.